Peek inside the farm. It's early in the morning on the farm, and the animals are eating their breakfast. Who's inside this little house? Goats. They're munching on hay. The hens eat grain and then peck around for bugs and slugs. And what can you find in here? Eggs. And another hen who is laying some more. And the rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Someone's busy in the barn. Peek inside to see who. It's the farmer milking his cows. Moo, moo. While they chomp on hay, the milk comes out of their pink udders. Cows need milking every morning and every evening. It's springtime on the farm, and some baby animals have been born. Can you guess what they are? Little springy lambs. They live with their mothers in the field, where they bounce and leap around. What is this duck hiding beneath her wing? Ducklings. Peep, peep. The tractor is chugging up and down, planting seeds in the soil. To grow into plants, seeds need sunshine and rain. These are wheat plants. They'll be used to make bread. Turn the tractor around to see what else it can do. Now it's pulling a hay baler. A wheel at the front pulls grass in, and hay bales pop out the back. A farm grows lots of things to eat. Some foods grow under the ground. Carrots. Some grows above. Broccoli. Some changes color when it's ready to pick. Strawberries. What's growing inside these green pods? Peas. Visitors to the farm can pet some of the animals. Who's that nibbling the hay? 3 friendly goats. One has floppy ears, one has curly horns, and one is very, very woolly. Are any other animals hiding here? Rabbits. They have soft fur. Guinea pigs. Farms make and sell all kinds of things. This farm makes ice cream from its own cow's milk. What else is for sale outside? Corn on the cob, peas, eggs, potatoes, carrots, apples, broccoli. Peek inside the farm shop to find more things that are made on the farm. Bread, cake, cherries, strawberry jam, fudge, cherry pies, apple pies, honey, tomatoes, strawberries, eggs, meat, cheese, cherry juice, and apple juice. The end.